Hi, and welcome back to the Sugar Hero channel. I'm Elizabeth LeBeau, and today we are keeping it super simple. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious Oreo pie crust. So it's not going to take us very long. Here's how you do it. The first thing we need to do is turn our Oreo cookies into Oreo crumbs. One way you can do this is by using a food processor. Place 20 Oreos in the bowl of a food processor. If you're using regular Oreos, you don't even need to remove the cream filling. Oreos with extra filling, like double stuffed, can make your crust greasy, so if that's what you're using, I recommend removing at least some of the filling before you process them. Run the food processor in long bursts until the cookies are in very fine crumbs. If you don't have a food processor, you can do this by hand. Place your cookies in a zip-top bag and roll over them with a rolling pin until they're very finely crushed. You should end up with about 2 cups of cookie crumbs. Pour 2 ounces of melted butter over the crumbs and stir everything together until it's well combined. The mixture should have the texture of wet sand, and it should hold together when you squeeze it between your fingers. If it seems too dry, you can add a little more butter a bit at a time until you're happy with the texture. Press the crust evenly on the bottom and up the sides of a 9-inch pie plate. Bake it at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until it's puffed and fragrant. If you're using a pan that's a different size or shape, I have a handy chart on Sugar Hero that will tell you how much Oreo crust you need for just about any pan size. You can find that link in the video description. Let the baked crust cool before you add your filling. This is great with ice cream pies, cheesecakes, peanut butter pies, just about everything. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating!